All right, hello, my friends. Welcome back. So right now, I want to show you how to examine our function. We're going to get into this a little bit more. Arange, right? So we're going to use this to create another array. But what does this function actually do? Well, with this function, we can produce NumPy arrays of the data type that we want according to our determined start and end points. So the syntax looks like this. See, I have start, a stop, step, and dtype parameters. Start parameter is obviously our starting point. The stop parameter is obviously our end point. However, the number that we write in the stop parameter, this is not going to be included, right? Because Python will bring us the numbers up to that number. And continuing on, the step parameter shows the number of steps that we want to proceed. And then finally, the dtype parameter indicates the data type of our array. Yeah, so now let's apply it using some examples. So I want to fetch the numbers up to 5 as a one-dimensional array. So see here, I'll say NP and call the Arange function. And I'll say 5 directly in it. Okay, let's run that code. And see, look at that. It returns numbers up to 5 as an array. So now let's return the numbers starting from 3 and going up to 10 as a float array. So this time we'll assign it to a variable. For example, I'll say example equals. Then I'll say NP and call the Arange function. And I'm going to enter this start argument to it. And I'll say 3 because it's going to start from 3. I'll write 10 because this stop will be up to 10. Now, I didn't specify the number of steps because they're going to go one by one. Finally, I'll set the type parameter to be float. So we'll run the code. All right, so you see how it works. So we'll check it with a print function. I'll say print and write the variable inside, and we'll run it. And see? Values came as an array as a float. But we're not fooled that it looks like a list, my friends, are we? This is a NumPy array. Let's check the type if you really don't believe me. So I'll say type, write the variable, run it, and it returns ND array. All right, see? So stick around. We got more to do in the next lesson. Bye for now.